Hey, Wildcats. Today's announcements. Remember when I told you the other day that, or I've been saying for a couple days, money and things and outward beauty isn't what makes us happy. What truly creates happiness are acts of kindness, gratitude, caring, supportive relationships, and doing things for other. You remember that. I talked about money just very recently, right? Money does not make us happy. You saw that announcement. So you might ask, Mr. Martin, what about things? Do things make us happy? Items, certainly things make us happy. Good grief, a lot of great things have been invented. Diet Coke has been invented in the past 40 years. The moon hasn't. The moon, we're going to edit that out. We landed on the moon. We walked on the moon. We drove an vehicle on the moon. Jet airplanes were invented. The Keurig was invented. Cell phones, Mario Kart, voice recognition software. The hula hoop was invented. Longboards were invented. Disney World, Hawaii became a state. The airbag was invented. Microwave ovens were invented. Ziploc bags were invented. Tons of awesome things were invented, including a nose stylus, this bike that doesn't hurt your butt when you ride it. The baby mop was invented. A bird feeder cutting board, and avocado wipes for your armpits and toast, and then this metal detector sandal combo. A lot of great things have been invented, so you would say, Mr. Martin, of course we're happier. Check this out. Things do not make you happier. The average happiness, according to research, the average happiness in 1940s, surveying families in the 1940s, out of 10 now, the average happiness was 7.5. As recently as 2015, the average happiness out of 10 was 7.2. Even with all of this new stuff, we are not happier. Money doesn't make us happier. Things don't make us happier. I'll talk to you about outward beauty here in a couple days. What really makes you happy, Wildcats? Acts of kindness, showing gratitude, being in caring, supportive relationships, and doing things for others. That's how you add value, and adding value creates happiness. So, those are the facts as I see them, Wildcats. You have a great day today. No announcements on Friday, no school. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next week. Stay well. Add value.